Alright, so here is my NeXTstation Turbo Color unit with the ADB keyboard and the weird little ADB puck mouse. I've got it open because I wanted to change the battery. This battery is quite old. It's not a recharging battery, and so it doesn't have quite, I believe it doesn't have quite the same risk associated with it for leaking that you see with CMOS batteries on PCs, but I probably should have gotten it out of there quite a while ago. I got this machine, I think back in 2000, and so that's 14 years ago or so. Anyway, so while I had it open, I thought I'd take a few kind of a zoom through of some of the parts inside. I've got it's kind of dark in here, I have a light. So we've got 128 megs of RAM, which I believe is the maximum you can run on this. I have got, it's a turbo slab, so it's 680/40/33. There's the Motorola DSP that some of the software used, and there's the DSP cache or memory slot, which is not populated, and 2 GB IBM SCSI drive, 2.88 megabyte floppy, sort of an unusual thing, and let's see, there is the Next ROM, and yeah, that big thing back there is the RAM DAC for the display. And I will go ahead and pull the battery. Let's see how that works. So there it is. Doesn't look like it's leaking or anything like that. It was hard to source a part. Well, it took time. DigiKey came through with a replacement, but it took a couple weeks for them to get it in stock, and I'll just go ahead and put it in here. Clean the, for what it's worth, the 2 leads there off with some alcohol and blew it out. And I think we can just go ahead and drop it in. There we go, and that should be good as new. Close it up and see how we're looking. Okay, apparently removing the battery from the system causes the system to forget some of its initial settings, and so looking up the drill on this, I found you need to go into the Next ROM monitor and execute the P command, which is a configuration setup, and right now it's booting EN, which is Ethernet, and I want it to boot SD, which is SCSI disk. It was reporting loading from network at boot, and it was just sitting there. That was the problem. That's why I'm here. This should fix it. Success.